what's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be talking about for those just graduating high school or in their junior or senior year, what should you do after high school? And this is just my opinion. This is what I did, and it worked out very well for me. But I advise joining the skilled trades. My channel is based on the skilled trades, welding business, working as a pipe fitter, how do I like it, etc., etc. But I think that that's the best option nowadays, as college is ridiculously expensive unless you have a specific skill that you want to go into, like nursing, a doctor, engineering, police officer, etc. There's a lot of useless degrees out there that are becoming more and more useless, and with the skilled trades you're always going to have benefits, and you're always going to have job security. I mean, as long as the economy and the world's functioning in some sense, you're always going to have a job. I mean, plumbers, pipe fitters, welders, there's always a need for that in today's world. And the more we, you know, go into kind of a depression, I think that an economic depression is on the horizon, and I think that now is the time to get into the skilled trades and figure out how to weld. If you want to go to a tech school and learn some basics welding, that's what I did. It helped me out. Helped me figure out if this is for me, and it was for me. I really enjoyed it, building stuff with my hands and all that. So this is my opinion, but I think that if you're just graduating high school, you should look into the skilled trades. There's so many different options. There's elevator technicians, electricians, plumbers, pipe fitters, like I said, laborers, carpentry. There's so much different stuff, and you can take those skills and apply them elsewhere. Yeah, starting a business, side jobs, stuff like that. You're always going to be in need. You're always going to be valuable, and that's my suggestion for those just getting out of high school or transitioning from almost getting out of high school. I think that's just the best option you have. Just honestly the best route, because a lot of people go to college and then they find out their degree's worthless, and they're in like 60 to 80 grand worth of debt for a useless 4-year degree, and then they're working at some $15 an hour job, and then it's kind of like they are never probably. It's going to take a long time to pay off their student loans, and that's a sad scenario because college is pushed so much. I mean, when I was in high school, they took out the skilled trades classes. We didn't really have many of those, and I think that the schools should bring those back for sure, because that's only going to benefit the students, and then they can get a pretty much free experience and figure out what's right for them. So that's my opinion. If you're stuck, what to do after high school and you're thinking about college, consider the skilled trades. Look into it. Look into your local union. Do a bunch of research. Take a couple classes at the local tech school. It's pretty cheap. In my area, it was like $1,000 for a couple, like one or two classes. I think it was $500 a class, and this was a while ago, but this was like 7 years ago. But maybe it's gone up, and I guess it also depends on your area. But I just think the skilled trades are such a valuable thing to go into, and you should definitely look into it. So thanks for watching. With that being said, good luck. I'm out. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.